Tired of vacuuming and mopping every week? Let Smart Tech do it for you. Today we're comparing the most advanced robot cleaners: Roborock S8 Pro Ultra, Roomba Combo J9 Plus, and Ecovacs DEEBOT X2 Omni. Let's find out which one is worth your money. First up, Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. This robot is fully automated. It vacuums, mops, self-empties dust, washes and dries its mop, and even refills its own water tank. With 6,000 Pascal suction, dual rollers, and LiDAR mapping, it glides across tile, carpet, and hardwood with precision. If you want full automation, this is it. Next, the Roomba Combo J9 Plus. It's familiar, reliable, and easy to set up. The Combo J9 Plus vacuums and mops in one pass. Its clean base station empties debris and refills mop water automatically. Dirt Detective maps your dirtiest rooms and cleans them first. Great cleaning, smart automation, no learning curve. And then there's the Ecovacs DEEBOT X2 Omni, the most powerful of the bunch, with 8,000 Pascal suction. It scrubs floors with hot water, cleans corners with a square body, and avoids obstacles with AI-Vi 3D and dual LiDAR. Plus, it talks to you, thanks to its built-in voice assistant, Yico. This is deep cleaning made effortless. Need top-tier suction and edge performance? Go with Ecovacs. Want beginner-friendly tech? Roomba is your pick. Want the best all-around robot? Roborock wins for balance and automation. Best overall value: Roborock S8 Pro Ultra. Most powerful cleaner, Ecovacs DEEBOT X2 Omni. Best for new smart home users, Roomba Combo J9 Plus. Check the links in the description to shop now. Want our full PDF breakdown? Drop your email below, like and subscribe for more smart home reviews.